Welcome! In front of me I have X-WATCH Joli XW Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. After the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the XW Fit application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, you can open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on search bar and type in XW Fit. Oh, my bad. XW. Okay, and then tap on search. You should see this application, XW Fit. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the get button to download and install it. Let me confirm the installation, so I'm gonna tap on install and enter the password. Now let's wait until it's done installing. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Once you open the application, you will see probably a couple of pop-ups on the screen about the permissions. For example, here we have the location permission, and you can allow it or deny it. If you want to track your activities like running and cycling and stuff like that with your watch, or rather on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next we have the Bluetooth permission. This one is required, so make sure to allow it. Here we have the a permission to access the local networks. You can allow it or deny it. And then we have health access. Basically, you will be able to allow the app to write the data to heart rate and steps, and you can do it by tapping on the switch next to the feature to enable it or disable it. And once you're done, you can tap on allow or don't allow. I'm gonna just tap on allow. Now tap on agree and continue. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the home screen or home page of the app. It's called data basically, but you should see this page. Once you see this page, tap on the device icon, tap on add device. The app will start scanning for the nearby devices. As you can see, it found our Joli XW. Tap on it. And after a couple of seconds, you will see this pop-up. Tap on it, tap on pair rather, my bad. And then wait a couple more seconds in case you get more pop-ups about the permissions. But it looks, oh, never mind, here we have it. So you can allow or deny the permission for the notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on this watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. And at this point, it should be done. You should not get many or any more pop-ups. And as you can see, the watch is paired with our iPhone. We can see this status right here. And also, if you open the quick panel on your watch, you will see this icon right here, and it's it looks like it's you have this chain link or something like that looks it's connected. But if it was disconnected, this icon will be probably crossed out, which indicates that the watch is not connected to a phone. But in our case, it is, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.